Here's a quick and easy holiday snack my boys absolutely love. These sliders disappear in minutes the moment they smell them. They're fast to make, perfect for busy days, and use simple ingredients you already have in the fridge. We'll need a 12-pack of dinner rolls, sliced in half. Combine 1/2 stick of melted unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon dried Italian herbs, optional 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1/4 cup fresh parsley. Mix until well combined. Spread the butter mixture over the bottom half of the rolls. Add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then layer your choice of salami, ham, or sausage. Sprinkle on 1/2 cup chopped bacon, another cup of shredded mozzarella, and about 2 tablespoons of diced green chili. This is the game changer. Place the top half of the rolls on, wrap tightly in foil, and bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Uncover, brush on the remaining butter mixture. And bake for another 5 to 7 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now look at that, golden, melty, bubbling perfection. The smell alone brings everyone running to the kitchen. These sliders come together so easily with simple ingredients you already have, and every bite is warm, cheesy, and incredibly delicious. The filling is so satisfying, and my sons make these disappear in minutes. And just a couple minutes later, this is all we have left. We make these sliders often when we need a quick and easy snack on a busy day. You should definitely give them a try. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next delicious Saturday. Happy holidays!